I'm Tom Cowley and I've been working on this magnificent sports two-seater special.
I'm Tom Langham, a member of the Morgan Three-Wheeler Club.
Hi, I'm Tom Mould. I brought my F-Type three-wheeler, 1948.
My name's Richard Atherton. I'm on stand with my 1936 Morgan family.
My name's Fergus Cameron and this is a 1931 Morgan two-speeder Super Aero.
We've been doing the control cables, the brakes. We've managed to fire it up and show the present owner, who has actually owned it for 65 years.
The car is a 1919 Grand Prix sporting mono car, single-seater. It's based on one that was built especially for a man, a special build by the Morgan Motor Company.
I raced it at Silverstone and I twisted the cross shaft. So we had the bevel box out on Friday and replaced the cross shaft and we put it all back together.
I've got to make a whole body for it, a lot of ash frame work to be doing. There's currently an engine in pieces, that's got to all get rebuilt.
I've been showing people how easy it is to take the engine on and off a Morgan, showing them the rudimentary exhaust system going through the tubes, sorting out my external band brakes and just tinkering with it really.
The state that you see now is pretty much the state it was in when I found it.
We're very hands-on in the Morgan Three-Wheeler Club, so people can see how we fix our cars and restore them and make them out of bits and bobs, and so it's been very good to show people that.
This show's been amazing, it's really good, lots of stuff going on. I think it's good advertising for the club, showing people what we do and how the cars work. A lot of people drew a lot of interest.
Now, this car and this award is presented to a motor that has pressed all the right barn find buttons. And if you're wondering what that means, this is one that's been stored for over 60 years, and our winning vehicle was brought back to life yesterday. When the engine ran for the first time since, get this, 1963, and it happened here at the show. Literally a rebirth, a car that sat in a barn we're going to see back on the road. It was bought for £20 by his current custodian when he was 16 years old, and that was in 1961. The best by far unrestored car at the show is Richard Beedman's 1936 Morgan Sports two-seater on the Morgan three-wheeler stand. And we'd like to invite Tom Cowley to come and accept the award. Congratulations. Tom looks like he's come straight out of the stores, doesn't he? Yeah. Tom, I need a distributor. Have you got one? Yeah, actually has as well. And isn't it great to see that? Isn't it great to see cars getting brought back to life at the show?
Show's been great, very hectic, a lot of hard work. I think it's done a lot of good, a lot of publicity, a lot of interested people. Yeah, it's got to be a good thing.
It just gets it out there for more people to see the different types of Morgan three-wheelers.
I think it's brilliant for the club, this event.
Thoroughly enjoyed it.
I'd definitely like to do it again, it's been really good.